After everything is done, I refresh the post. As you can see, the number of likes has increased to more than 40 likes. These are the reactions I selected earlier. The bot chooses them randomly.
Hello, welcome back to Chung Social Tool channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase likes on a specific post inside a Facebook group. First, I will open my Facebook bot. This is the Facebook bot interface. The bot already supports multiple languages, so you can choose the one that fits you best. For example, English, Thai, and other available options. Just select the language you feel most comfortable using. Here are the available languages. I have already added several secondary Facebook accounts here for use. At the same time, I attach proxies to these accounts to change their IP addresses. This way, each account will have its own IP and its own location. Now I will open a random Facebook group from this list. You can choose any group you want. For example, I want to increase likes for this post. I just click on the timestamp of the post. Then the post link will appear, and I copy that link. Next, I convert the link into a UID string. After getting the numeric UID, I go back to the Facebook bot. I open the Seeding function tab. Seeding means accounts can like posts, comment on posts, or watch videos. I select the account category that I want to use for liking this post. On the right side, I configure how the bot will run. First, I choose the action type, post seeding. Then I paste the UID of the post so the secondary accounts know exactly which post to interact with. Next, I set the parameters, such as how many posts each account can interact with. Below, you can choose different reactions. In this example, I will not enable comments. If you want to add comments or reply to comments, you can select those options as well. I will choose a few reaction types. Then I select all the accounts. Here, I am using more than 40 accounts. Next, I set the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts will work at the same time. These accounts will open the post and like it simultaneously. I will set it to 15 threads, which means 15 accounts working at once. After finishing all the settings, I simply click Start. The software will run automatically in the background. There is no need to open a browser. All actions will be displayed in this column. The bot logs into each account, navigates to the post, and performs the like action. After finishing with the first group of accounts, the bot automatically switches to the next accounts. You can adjust the delay time here at the top. If you want interactions to have a time gap between them, you can increase the delay setting here. The bot will continue until all accounts are completed. Previously, this post had no likes and no comments. Now I am increasing the likes. When you increase engagement, your post is more likely to appear at the top of the group. I will wait a moment for the bot to finish running all 49 accounts. Processing 49 accounts usually takes around 1 minute. In 1 to 2 minutes, everything will be completed. When the bot finishes, you will see a complete notification here. You can check the working status in this section. After everything is done, I refresh the post. As you can see, the number of likes has increased to more than 40 likes. These are the reactions I selected earlier. The bot chooses them randomly. That is how I increase likes for a post inside a Facebook group. By doing this, your post can grow faster and reach more people. If you want to grow on Facebook or use automation tools for social media, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.